Hi traders, Dale Pinkert here at forexstophunter on Twitter. Could also find me at forexanalytics.com. I'm the host of the FACE webinar from 8 a.m. to 9:30 Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Today we're going to have a little bit of a dollar theme. Dollar continues to push to new highs, beginning to diverge a bit. Still my contention, as long as we're above that 97.80 pivot, which was a previous high, that we could still work higher, looking for new highs to take out 98.10, which was a recent high. This is about a 2-hour look on this chart. So looking for perhaps 98.80, 99.20. Any pullback should be supported at 97.80. And then I think that the dollar may take a little bit of a respite up there with one more wave to the upside. So still saying the top's not here. Your first indication of a top will be closes back under 97.80, the pivot. As long as we're above it, you have to give it the benefit of the doubt. So along with a little bit of dollar strength, last week I talked about a recovery in the yen, and it's ongoing. I don't believe it's complete. We start penetrating this 1030, 1040 level of a very good possibility of a 61.8% retracement, which would fill the gap that we left over the weekend 2 weeks ago during the trade debacle, or a week ago, excuse me. Left a big gap down. Market also was under a lot of pressure, risk off. So still think there's an outside chance for the S&Ps to squeeze some shorts in here and a little bit more risk on, which means that yields could back up a little bit, not a lot, maybe back to 246, 248, and with that, a higher yen should ensue. I'm looking at this as being a counter trend trade. The position trade will be after the completion of this rally, looking to short it for a breakdown back under 109.20 to at least 108. So looking for one more little pullback in bonds and one more push up in US dollar yen, and then another huge run in bonds to new highs. We didn't quite do it here yet, and looking for the 3 drive completion. The last one I want to talk about is, should the scenario play out of the dollar making new highs above 99.80 and US dollar Swiss does not take out recent highs at 102.20. In fact, I'd be looking for retracements between, say, 101.50 to 101.70 with the dollar at new highs, and this would be a great non-confirmation because the Swiss led the whole way up with dollar strength. So if the dollar index is making new highs, basically because of cable and euro, and we get a failing rally in Swiss, that would be my market tell, and I would short the weak sister, not necessarily the Dixie, but a market that is not making new highs with the Dixie. So good hunting. Have a great week trading. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter, and I know where your stops are. I could teach you how to find them. Adios.